So now let's see how we can insert and delete rows and columns inside of Google Sheets. So over here, you can see that I got a simple table. And if I want to insert, let's say, for example, a row on the top of the product that I have right here, I can simply right click. And over here, you can see that I have an option to insert one above or one below. I can click on one above and then one row has been added in. If you want to add in multiple rows, you can click and drag to select multiple rows. So I'm selecting 3 right here. So now if I were to right click and over here, you can see that insert 3 above is an option now. Same goes for the column. I can go around over here and I can insert one onto the left, or I can select multiple and insert 3 to the left and so forth. If I want to delete this out, I can select all of it, right click, and over here you can see that now I have option to delete this. So I can go around and delete rows 4 to 7 right here. I can go around right here and then delete column C to F right here, and then it's deleted out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you another method. So here you can see that I got column. Let me just click and drag all the way down right here. So I want to go all the way down right here. I'm going to hold Shift and click this so that everything is selected. So now I can right click and I can delete all the unused rows as well, just like this. And I can do the same over here with the columns as well. So I'm going to go all the way to the right, and then I'm going to delete the column E to Z as well. So now if you want to add out rows, here you can see that you can add the number of rows just by typing in as well. So over here, for example, you want to add out, let's say 1,000 rows, click on add and 1,000 rows will be added. Click on it again and another 1,000 rows will be added over there, just like that. For the columns over here, just like this. So even if you don't get it, you can still add it by you can go around over here, add, let's say, insert 4 onto the right and then 4 onto the right. You can select out all right here and insert, let's say, for example, 12 onto the right and get back the lost rows just like that as well. And that is how you can insert and delete rows and columns inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.